Picnics have become even more popular during the pandemic. It's a safe way to eat outside at a distance, and it's fun. Registered dietitian Abby Sharp has a few healthy and tasty ideas to fill your basket. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning, Annette. Yeah, so I'm hoping, we're at that picnic season and the weather's been so beautiful. Let's hope for a good weekend so we can hopefully enjoy it. But like you said, picnicking is supposed to be easy, it's supposed to be fun. So I try to keep mess to a minimum. So for that, I'm serving everything on my hefty EcoSave plates and bowls. So these plates and bowls are fully compostable, recyclable, and responsibly sourced. And because they're super strong, microwavable, and soak resistant, they are key for picnicking with the whole family with kids, which can get really messy in my experience. So
Hmm.
you can pick all these up at Walmart when you get the rest of your ingredients. So those are fantastic. And then we got to do a sandwich because it's not a picnic without a picnic sandwich. So I do try to choose a good quality bread. And Stone Mill's naturally fermented bread has been a favorite in my house because the slow fermentation process yields a more flavorful, wholesome bread that has no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. And because of the fermentation, it's also an easier to digest option. So we're starting with that as our base here. And we're going to make a caprese sandwich, which is, one of my favorite salads turns into a handheld snack. So I've just got some pesto down on my stone mill bread there. We've got some beautiful tomatoes, which,
Are
finally we're
in
getting
season,
some,
yep.
yeah, we're getting some nice tomatoes now. I've got some fresh mozzarella, a little bit of basil. I don't know if anyone's growing basil in their gardens, but this is a great way to use it. And then pop the other side on a great little taste of summer right here. So good. Now we need something sweet. Do not we got to have a little something something. My kid will complain otherwise. So these are my quinoa peach muffins. These are from the Mindful Glow cookbook, which is my book you can get on Amazon or Indigo or your local bookstore. And my son actually helped me make these muffins. Actually, he was quite into it. So basically, I'm using quinoa. I use leftover quinoa from dinner the night before
Hmm.
instead of your traditional all-purpose flour. And then I've got some almond flour as well, which really adds that, fiber and healthy fats and some flavor. And some Greek yogurt for some protein. And talking about summer, lots of fresh peaches because, again, we want to use what the summer's bounty has brought us. And this is one of my kids' favorite snacks. Both my little 10-month-old and 3-year-old love these. So great little snack right there.
Could you use like berries that are in season right now too for that? Yeah,
100%. Yeah, you
whatever
want
you've
to do
got.
blueberries, strawberries. That's the beautiful thing about muffins. It's like whatever you have on hand,
Whatever,
throw it
yeah.
in. I have like a bushel of peaches and nectarines, so that's what we're eating a lot of those right now. But speaking of berries, actually, we love iced tea in my house, and my husband loves to make a big batch of iced tea. But of course, there's caffeine in traditional iced tea, and usually a lot of sugar as well. So one thing I like to do for the kids is I make a berry-based tea. So any, berry tea, little sachets, you can steep a whole bunch of in just some hot water. Then you can dilute it with more water, add some ice in there. I threw in some blueberries and some strawberries and some more basil to just get some more flavor in there. My son calls this fruit punch, which I love because obviously it's way healthier than fruit punch. There's no sugar in it. And it's just a fun alternative to just drinking plain old water all summer long.
Okay, awesome ideas there. Getting back to the plates, because they're compostable, probably a good idea to bring all your waste home with you, right? Instead of leaving it in the garbage can at the park site or wherever, because then it's
Absolutely.
not necessarily going to get sorted there, but bring all that stuff back with you so that
Bring it
you don't see
home.
the overflowing garbage.
Exactly. I always bring like a little compost bag with me in my picnic basket and a recycle bag with me in the picnic basket just so that you can collect all those bits and pieces,
Good
bring them home
idea.
with you, and then it's all together. You're not worried about like pieces of garbage or napkins or things
Yeah.
just like blowing away in the wind. You've got it contained and ready to take home with you.
Okay, well, thank you, Abby. Happy picnicking.
Thank you. You too.